Well, we're back over here by the river, by the town of Old Mesilla, New Mexico. La Llorona. It's supposed to rain tonight, they said, maybe. Yeah, you never know. Looks to me like the clouds are moving out of the west, but the wind's coming from the south. Tonight's the night we're gonna have a super moon. Be coming right over that mountain range over there. About 6:26. It's not there now. Not yet 6:26, but an hour or so from now. We both came from the doctor's office, had blood tests. The results were good. And we're happy about that. The doctor thinks we need to get more exercise, so we come over here. It's breezy, but it's a quick, fast place to get to where we can have a little walk before the sun sets. I didn't expect it to be this windy out here.
Oh, look, they're planting some cottonwood. You know, these are plantings here.
You don't think they're come up from the roots?
No, these are plantings. I'm 100% sure because this wasn't here before.
No.
And I remember they had like flags on them, just like red flags, that they planted down without cottonwoods, and now it's got cottonwoods in it.
Maybe we should try to plant a cottonwood.
We don't have any water though because it's arroyo. Our place is from the arroyo. Hey, take a look at this one here. This is like the green tumbleweed. When this one gets all spent out and die off in the winter, this is when it comes out and become a tumbleweed.
Yep.
But before the tumbleweed, it's nice and green.
Yeah. That is a tumbleweed. It's a tumbleweed in the making.
Yeah, it's a tumbleweed in the making. When it gets mature, it will die off and it will tumble with the wind. Let's see if we can still see ducks here.
Well, it'll be interesting to see where the water's running in the channel. If it's on this side of the river or the other side.
That's right.
Such a small plant with such big leaves. Big green leaves too. And it's cottonwood, right?
Yeah, cottonwood.
Yeah.
You know, we didn't know what type of trees these were until we looked it up in the internet.
No.
The internet is good. It's like a walking library. Oh, look at those birds. Hang on, Chip. Hang on. There's a bird in there that's flying low.
It looked like a dove, or maybe a hawk.
It's a hawk. It's a hawk. Let me see if I can get him. He went down below. He was hovering. That would have been a great shot, but he went down. Might have found a prey or something. There might be more ducks here visible. You know, another thing, if we have an earlier start, I hear crickets.
Yeah.
If we have an earlier start, we can explore.
Now, what's this, Roy?
What is it?
This. What is this?
This one here?
Yeah.
You know, I don't know. It's some kind of a weed, isn't it?
I don't know. There's a bunch of it. It kind of reminds me of a cypress or pine tree, sort of.
I'm wondering if this is young salt cedar. Do you think it's young salt cedar?
I don't know.
Salt cedar are those? I don't know. I don't know what kind of. It's nice. The foliage feels good, but it's in both sides of the pathway, so it's not salt cedar. It's something else. I don't know what it is. Does it look like it's got white flowers on it, or about to flower? White?
I don't know.
What
It's
it
tall. Last time we came here, all this stuff was mowed down.
That's true.
Remember that?
I don't know what kind of plant that is. But it's a nice plant. It's got beautiful foliage. Did you hear that cricket?
I can hear it.
We don't have crickets now in our place.
We used to.
We used to hear a few.
Look at these seed pods.
Oh, that's awesome. That's kind of neat looking seed pod.
I don't know what kind of plant it belongs to.
Some kind of a vining plant. That has purple flowers in it.
They're not showing now, are they?
No. But up there where we were walking in the Arroyo Trail.
Looks like it's growing little chili peppers.
Yeah.
I mean, to be honest with you.
It's more over here. This one here. It's more. Interesting. Some kind of a vine.
Interesting. There's a flock of birds.
Yo.
Look like, what do you think?
I don't know what kind of bird. I didn't catch it, but we'll see what kind of birds we catch along the way.
Yeah, just leave your camera on.
I don't know if I'm able to catch any. Some kind of blackbird flock.
Yeah, don't even try and zoom in on them.
Okay.
Just leave your camera on
Leave it on? Okay.
with no zoom.
All right.
See if you catch a bird flying.
Catch it. Okay.
Because this camera won't.
You know, they're so fast.
Sure they are.
Maybe we can catch it over there some in the glen.
And they're even flying into the wind.
That's true. You know, they're so fast. Maybe in the sunset, you'll be able to catch them.
Yeah.
Because the birds here get really active at sunset or sundown.
Pretty skies today.
Yeah. Pretty skies. I see them, but they're flying low on the other side. Oh, there's a couple of
There's
ducks.
a duck.
Let me see.
Swinging back around. Coming in on your right.
Oh, I see. Okay, I'll flip that. I bet you there's more. I'll just leave it going. I bet you there's more.
Sure.
When we get into the open, I know where they're at. You might be able to catch them. There's some over here that's flying. Oh, I couldn't catch that. They dive right down below. But I bet you can see them from over there from the lookout point. Well, I was right on my self-diagnosis on metatarsal fracture of my foot.
You were, but I just thought that maybe they could do something for you.
Not really. Not really. So it's okay.
Shot my theory.
Hi. Now, self-diagnosis metatarsal problems is said you could alleviate it also by losing some weight because you take pressure off your foot. So definitely, I watch myself on what I eat from now on, and that way I can bring down that weight and less pressure on that fracture.
Maybe you can eat corn. You can't eat rice. You can't eat pasta.
No, you can eat.
You can eat potatoes and you can eat corn.
Beans.
Corn.
And they said that the internet said that if you eat the I have those. It's what are the bean family that's eaten a lot?
Lentils?
Lentils, yeah.
Yeah.
You can substitute it. Hi.
Hi.
Lentils, you substitute it with lentils. And I have lentils. I'll do it. Because your choice really is go in pain or do what the doctor recommended. I don't want to get my foot worse. How's that?
Yeah.
And as the young doctor said, you can do it slowly at a time. Don't have to crash diet or anything. Slowly. You see, you're losing weight. Me, I'm where I'm at, but I could lose some more.
It's got to be muscle mass or bone loss. Getting older and shrinking. All you gotta do is, when it does that,
Yeah, I touch the screen.
yeah, that'll work.
Yeah, I touch the screen.
Or you can hit the zoom
I just touch.
in or out.
Is there water here? Look.
Well, yeah. It's hard to tell which side of the river it's going to be on.
Still nice. Oh, they painted the seats beautiful. They put a new marker. It must be the family of Joe and Jill Samosa. Seem to take care of this seat here, which is nice. Oh, look at the river. It's pretty. The way it's flowing.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty.
Yeah.
Clear. Shallow but clear, Chip.
And it's actually flowing. It's not stagnant water.
Yeah, it's not stagnant water, which is good. Still get more active as the evening sets in. Look at how pretty this one is. I bet you your camera will also catch this. It's pretty. Clear, the water's very clear.
Yeah.
duck?
No, I don't.
Mind if I wander off over there?
No, I don't.
Or do you want to come with me?
I'll be coming with you.
All right. Let's see if we can spot any ducks. Some ducks over there, way over there.
Yeah.
Looks like ducks, I know it. But
Well-
it's get active in the evening.
That way over there is actually the other side of the river.
Well, it's far away.
Yeah.
It might not even have any. It might not be a part of the river that doesn't even have any access, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, I hear footsteps.
Do you hear them?
No, yeah, I hear footsteps.
Is somebody coming?
No, that's John. I hear quacking.
And the quackings come from the other side of that. I don't know what they're called, reeds or something.
There's a duck that went over there. Did you see him?
No.
Going fast. Let's go over here. A little bit. This one's neat place. Okay, still the duck. There was a duck there hiding.
No, that was a dove.
See if we can catch some wildlife.
You know, when we were at the Leesburg Dam
Uh-huh.
hiking down Rio Grande Trail,
Right.
did you hear shotgun blast? I heard them. They were booms. Looks like multiple.
I think they're hunting over there. That's why the birds are so skittish.
That's pretty grass.
Yeah, it's tall, isn't it?
And very green.
Very green. It's a tall grass, see? It's like hay grass. The kind you feed a cattle with.
Yeah.
Maybe it got blown from the farms around. I bet you this area here is really nice, lush and green when the farms were around.
Probably were.
When they grow this kind of grassy. This look like grass that you can bale, you know. Put it in a bale for
Cut
the
it up.
cattle.
Feed it to the cattle.
Yeah. But see, look at this height over here. Look at the height of it. It's pretty long from the bottom.
Yeah.
It's got a height 12 inches maybe or more.
Cats would love it, wouldn't they?
Oh yeah. Very nice bedding for them. They'd love it. For sure, for sure.
Yep.
Lisa's amazing 10 cats outside.
Little bitty yellow berries.
Yeah, this is, I don't know what kind of plant this is. The berries turn yellow.
Yeah, looks like green tomatoes.
Yeah, this one is poisonous, that I know for a fact. See, watch out for the anthills. But if you look at this right here, in the nightshade, look, it's got all of it. It's got the purple flowers here. And then
You
you
can
get
get the berries on it too.
the berries, and here's the
Combination.
yellow berries right here.
This one too.
I'll take some clips for you. There's the flower.
Yeah, we could sit down, drink water, and eat crackers.
Yeah, I got a couple of crackers in my bag.
The channel has reshaped itself.
Yeah, there used to be ducks over here.
Yeah, right over there where the sand bars up. That was all underwater, and the ducks would congregate in there.
It looks like it could rain on the horizon.
Yeah.
I got you.
Good. Hi. I got you too.
Okay. I got you and you got me. Okay, gotcha.
Think we'll get rained on?
It looks like it could rain. But not here though. It looks like it could rain down there. Or the distance. The clouds are kind of gray in there.